Good evening, everyone. I am John Patrick Frane.
And I'm Gailey Di Harlo.
And tonight, we are going to present our marketing plan. Our business is entitled Thrifty Ukay Collection.
And now, let's proceed to our executive summit. Through online sales and walk-in sales, Thrifty Ukay Collection will sell Ukay clothing with a twist. The partnership business is owned by Gailey Di Harlo and John Patrick Frane. Calapan Oriental Mindoro is where the Thrifty Ukay Collection can be located. The company only conducts business in an online selling and in-store. A startup capital of 150,000 pesos included in the business budget. Ukay business concepts are gaining popularity among teenagers. When they go out, teenagers choose basic eye-catching clothing. We want to give them a cheap option to buy the clothes they desire, as well as new service like thrift flip garments, which will personalize their taste. It may be good for teenagers who want to save their money while still wearing a fashionable outfit at a reasonable cost. The Thrifty Ukay collection will set itself different from other businesses because it is centered on a thrift flip. We'll give them the best Ukay product we can, and we will make sure they know that our low-cost thrift flips are well worth the money.
The Thrifty Ukay Collection is a clothing store that sells trendy pre-owned clothing at a discount. Pre-loved clothes are in high demand among teenagers due to their low cost and good quality. Our selling strategies may involve their online or in-person sales. Our business model is determined by what our clients are prepared to accept based on the results of a survey. If both online and walk-in selling are tied in the survey, we can conduct both. Our goal is to have a shop as well as conduct an online sales.
Environmental factors. The main reasons that can impact the business operations are natural disasters, supply delays, and seasonal fluctuations. The shipment procedure will be delayed and the products will not arrive on time. This will have an effect on the business, and some customers will be dissatisfied because their orders will not be delivered.
Competitive analysis. There are various competitors to Thrifty Ukay Collection. 1.1 is one of the Oriental Mindoro's most well-known Ukay clothing stores. They sell a wide range of Ukay clothes and have a significant customer base due to their lengthy history in the industry.
Next is competitive advantage. First is affordable price. In a business, it is critical that your product's pricing is reasonable and that the product itself is worthwhile. Customers would be drawn to and interested in a product if the pricing was reasonable. Second, good quality of pictures posted on social media. Since the business is conducted online, it is critical that the product be presented in a professional and appealing manner. It will help the company become more well-known to a larger number of people, and it will be more appealing owing to the creativity employed in the product image. Third, product quality is excellent. The cost of a product is determined by its quality. Because it is an ukay-ukay, we can sell branded clothing, which has higher quality and thus a higher price. We will redesign the clothes and make them into a new outfit. Thus, there will be a price. Fourth, accommodating sellers. There are some qualities that a seller should possess, like kindness, patience, and understanding. We will encounter a variety of behaviors and attitudes in the workplace. If you want your company to succeed, the seller must learn to adapt to the needs of the clients. It is a significant feature that might influence the business. And the last but not the least, uniqueness in selling strategy. In a business, this is one of the most critical tasks to complete. Use some of the strategies you might use in your business to sell your products in an interesting way. One of our advantages is that we offer our customers a thrift flip.
Friends, Entrepreneurs see this pandemic as an opportunity to start a business. Individuals must rely on online retailers to meet their demand. Even if we are unable to do a face-to-face transactions, it still presents an excellent opportunity for them to make money. During the epidemic, many people start an online business.
Market potentials. We will use social media platforms like Facebook to recruit a big number of customers, uncover loyal customers, promote more, and keep our customers delighted to offer discounts, and offer seasonal promotions in order to improve corporate profits. The triplet will be used as a part of our marketing plan. Next, let's proceed to marketing research findings. The researchers conducted a survey by using Messenger to distribute questionnaires. Each respondent was asked 10 questions in the survey. The survey has a total of 20 participants. The majority of the items are female. Those Calapan City residents varied in age from 18 to 21 years old. The findings for each questions are shown in the graphs below.
Of data. Question number 1. Do you personally follow the clothes that are trend? The graph reveals that 11 out of the 20 respondents said they are following the trend, which is equals to 55%, and the 9 said no, which is equals to 45%. Next is the graph 2. Question number 2. Are you interested in ukay-ukay? Interpretation of data. The graph illustrates that 20 respondents said yes, they're interested in ukay-ukay, which is equal to 100%, and none said no, which is equals to 0%. Graph number 3. Question number 3 is, are you interested in the thrift clothes that are made from ukay-ukay? Interpretation of data. The graph illustrates that all 20 respondents said yes, they're interested in thrift clothes, which is equal to 100%, and that no one of them were interested of ukay-ukay or thrift clothes, which is also equivalent to 0%. Graph 4. Question number 4 is, what kinds of ukay-ukay clothes do you prefer? Interpretation of data. The bar graph shows that 15 of the 20 respondents choose shirts, which is equivalent to 75%, 11 chose pants, which is equivalent to 55%, 5 chose jackets, which is equivalent to 25%, 5 chose trousers, 25%, 4 chose dresses, equivalent to 20%, and finally, 4 chose blouses, which is equivalent to 20%. Question number 5. Do you agree that the minimum price of ukay-ukay and thrift clothes will be 80 pesos and the maximum price is 120 pesos? Interpretation of data. The graph reveals that 14 of the respondents agree that the minimum price of ukay-ukay and thrift clothes will be 80 pesos and the highest price would be 120 pesos, corresponding to a 70% agreement, with 6 disagree, corresponding to a 30% disagreement. Question number 6. Do you agree that there will be a steal? Steal is a term used in which a customer is allowed to grab the item that is already picked by another customer. And if that happened, there will be additional 10 pesos in price. Interpretation of data. The graph shows that out of the 20 respondents, 9 persons agree that the shop will allow a steal, which is equivalent to 45%, while 11 respondents answered disagree, which is also equivalent to 55%. Question number 7. Do you prefer online selling or walk-in sales? Interpretation of data. The graph shows that out of the 20 respondents, 9 persons choose online selling, which is equivalent to 45%, while 11 respondents choose walk-in sales, which is also equivalent to 55%. Question number 8. Which do you prefer, delivery or pick-up? Interpretation of data. The graph shows that out of the 20 respondents, 5 persons choose delivery, which is equivalent to 25%, while 3 persons choose pick-up, which is equivalent to 15%, and 12 persons choose it depends and was equivalent to 60%. Question number 9. Would you send us a photo of you wearing the item you bought with feedback? Interpretation of data. The graph illustrates that 12 people out of 20 said yes, they are gonna send us photo of themselves using our product and use it as a feedback, and it is equivalent to 60%, while 8 people answered no, which is equivalent to 40%. Would you let us post it in our Facebook page and also serves as a feedback and model? Interpretation of data. According to the graph, 12 out of the 20 respondents answered yes, they would enable us to post their photo on our Facebook page and use it as a feedback and models, which is equivalent to 60%, while 8 answered no, which is equivalent to 40%. And now, let's proceed with the background of the plan.
Next is property needs analysis. Because the proprietors live in Calapan City, they decided to open a business in a crowded place. They chose JP Rizal Bagong Pook in Calapan City as their location. This is an ideal location owing to the fact that many people travel to that city to purchase their items.
Go. Now, let's proceed with the SWOT, the strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats of the business. Strength. The strength of the business are the affordable price, location, and excellent customer service. Since it is located in the city, many customers can see our shop and it will attract them mainly because of the design and style. Social media is a big and easy platform to use in order to introduce our product to customers. The weakness. The weakness of the business is that since it is located in the city, there are many competitors. Customers will have many choices, but in order to overcome that, we will think of strategies that will uplift and make the business different from the others. The opportunity. The business has one opportunity, but it means a lot. Since it is located in the city, many people will go there to buy what they want. It is the best place for our business because it is not impossible to gain plenty of customers if there are many people. The threat in this business is that there are customers that will cancel their orders without even informing the seller. But in order to prevent this, they have come out with a plan in which they will give customers 3 days to cancel their order and confirm that they will buy them.
Next is market positioning statement. Thrifty Ukay Collection is a ukay business that offers high quality and great products at an affordable price. Both gays, part of LGBT community, and women can buy into the business. Our business will be clicked by many customers because ukay clothes are very in demand today. Next is objectives. The primary objectives of Thrifty Ukay Collections are to identify buyers' profiles, to provide high-quality products at an affordable price, to provide profit low, to attract customers' attention, and to achieve the best business process and customers' trust. To serve to customers a different way of selling ukay business by conducting a thrift flip, changing the ukay clothes into a new one. Next is target market. Both gay, part of LGBT community, and female teenagers make up our target demographic. Our clients are from Calapan City, especially in Bagong Pook. We are confident that we can match the expectations of our customers who are largely teenagers looking for well-designed, high-quality, and affordable fashion items. We ensure that our ukay product is both affordable as well as of great quality.
Now let's proceed with the marketing strategies. Under marketing strategies is product strategy, and under product strategy is the product vision. Product vision, to supply high-quality ukay-ukay clothing at a reasonable price as well as to sell thrift garments that will appeal to clients' taste. Product goals. This company's product aims to present our product in the most innovative way possible. The cost of the item will be determined by its quality. Customers' attention will be drawn to the business in this manner. Customer persona. Customers' requirements and desires must be understood in order to attract them. The business owners run a survey to determine what type of ukay-ukay clothing they were going to make. It aids entrepreneurs in determining their target market, with the result that females and gays or the members of LGBTQ are interested in ukay-ukay and second-hand thrift outfits. Next is the product differentiation. This business offers ukay clothing that is both high quality and reasonably priced. Apart from that, it has already been washed, sanitized, and ironed. And lastly, product positioning. The company is located at JP Rizal, Bagong Pook, Calapan City, Rizal Street. It is a significant benefit owing to the large number of people who visit the city. They'll have no problem locating the shop. Aside from that, the business name is unique, which will assist the company leave an effect on the customers. Next is the pricing strategy. The main goals of company are to provide high-quality items at a reasonable price. They will provide discounts and promotions, especially when there is a big event. Customers' loyalty would be acknowledged as a basis for them to receive discounts and promos. Next is proportional mix. The company's key goals are to supply high-quality items at a reasonable price. Customers will not be dissatisfied if they purchase from the business, mostly because the goods are reasonably priced. Discounts and promotions will be offered, particularly if there is a merger event. Next is the distribution strategy. The store sells shelled ukay-ukay at a lower cost per bale. The products will be ordered through a distributor in Manila, Philippines. The items will be washed, sanitized, and ironed once they arrive. It's all set for a picture, photo shoot, and a showcase.
The activities in the whole year. First, in the month of January, the opening, person in charge, Gailey and Patrick. Next, in the month of February, activities in CEO birthday blowout, person in charge, Patrick. Starting from the month of March until August, it is normal activity, person in charge, Gailey and Patrick. Next, month of September, CEO birthday blowout, person in charge, Gailey. In the month of October, normal activity, person in charge, Gailey and Patrick. In the month of November, Halloween special promo, person in charge, Gailey and Patrick. In the month of December, Christmas sale promo, Christmas sale, person in charge, Gailey and Patrick. And the last but not the least, in the month of January, the anniversary, person in charge, Gailey and Patrick.
To sum up our budget, the income statement is what we are going to present. Our business is entitled Thrifty Ukay Collection, and this is for the year ended December 31, 2023. The income is 102,000, and written in the presentation is the operating expenses. The utilities is equivalent to 10,000, promotion is equivalent to 2,000, salary is equivalent to 9,000, product cost 10,000, the rent cost 6,000, and the miscellaneous cost 4,000, with the total of 41,000. And we are going to subtract the income and the expenses, which is and the answer is 61,000. And last but not the least, our conclusion. In conclusion, Gailey May Harlow and John Patrick Franny own the Thrifty Ukay Collection as a partnership. This site carries high-quality ukay clothing as well as thrift store flip garments that are reasonably priced and will fit clients' budgets. The company has a shop which was previously located at JP Rizal Street, Bagong Pook, Calapan City. It is an ideal site because it is frequented by a large number of people. Thrifty Ukay Collections aims to supply good quality ukay clothes at a reasonable price and to sell thrift clothes that will appeal the customers' preferences. The company will use social media to market both the product and the company itself. Many consumers will be aware of the shop as a result of the use of Facebook page, which will assist in attracting additional customers. Whether it's online sales or walk-in sales, the company will provide the best service possible. The entrepreneurs are certain that this firm would succeed, owing to the fact that it is unique among the ukay-ukay businesses. This firm's distinctive strategy is that they are only the one that sells thrift outfits that also made of ukay-ukay clothes. To conclude, Thrifty Ukay Collection guarantees that the products they offer are in good condition and of high quality, and they are from ukay-ukay. That is the end of our presentation. Once again, I am John Patrick Frane,
And I'm Gailini De Harlo.
and this is Thrifty Ukay Collection. Thank you.